happiness a fear, we gotta let it out.
Attention all Wood County units. Wood County will now conduct a test of the all-zone alert functions of Wood County outdoor early warning siren system.
But this was lost, and it was not happy at all.
My ears hurt. My ears hurt.
I wonder why.
I can't feel my ears. Wait, what is the next time we're going to?
Kind of forgot exactly what the name.